to my channel Learn with Fun by Zarar Sir. Today we'll discuss a very small topic which is resistance in series and resistance in parallel. So let's assume I have two resistance over here, R1 and R2. So the formula for resistance in series is R1 plus R2. Very simple. Okay. So let's take an example. I have 4 ohm over here and 2 ohm over here. So total resistance in series will be 4 plus 2, which would be 6 ohms. Okay. Similarly, if I have three resistance, let's say R1, R2 and R3. So for that, let's take an example, 4 ohms, 2 ohms and 4 ohm. So again, you just need to add the resistance. So total resistance in series would be R1 plus R2 plus R3. And the total resistance would be, for this example, 4 plus 2 plus 4, which turns out to be 10 ohm. So this is for series. Now if we move towards resistance in parallel, the resistance in parallel is, let's take the first example. I have resistance R1 and R2. So the formula is 1 upon Rp, which would be 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Okay. Let's solve with an example. Let's say I have R1 as 4 ohm and R2 as 2 ohm. So my 1 upon Rp will be 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. So the shortcut is, you just need to multiply this. 4 into 2 upon 4 plus 2. So therefore my Rp will be 8 by 6 ohm. Okay. For three resistance, if it is R1, R2 and R3, the formula is again same. 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Let's take an example. 3 ohm. All the resistance are 3 ohm. So if all the resistance are 3 ohm, my 1 upon Rp will be 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. So Rp would be, if you solve this, it would be 3 upon 3, which is 1 ohm. So this is for series and parallel. Hope you have understand the video. Thank you.